The price of a torrential rainfall is projected to reach $25 by the end of 2023 and $50 by the middle of 2027, according to the most recent long-term forecast. By 2030, the cost of a deluge will have increased to $75. Torrential slide value projection 2023 to 2020 for the price began a precipitous decline at 10.84 cents in 2023. Today, catastrophic slide is priced at 17.61 cents, representing a 62% increase since the beginning of the year. The predicted price of torrential downpour at the end of 2023 is 28.19, with an annual change of minus 0.1%. Change increase by 160% from now until the end of the year. Plus 60% in 2023. We anticipate 19.44 cents per torrential downpour. In the majority of 2024, the price of a raging river will increase to $31.28. In the final quarter of the year, the cost would increase to $31.51, which is an increase of $79. The number for later approaches days and months. Sunday, April 9th was valued at 17.63 cents, Monday, April 10th was valued at 17.65 cents, Tuesday, April 11th was valued at 17.68 cents, Wednesday, April 12th was valued at 17.70 cents, and Thursday, April 13th was valued at 17.63 cents. On April 14, 1774, April 15th occurred. $17.76 is the price. On Sunday, April 16, $17.79 was the price of gasoline. On May 15, 18.43 euros were given out. On June 15, the amount of $19.11 was earned. $20.15, 15th of July to 15th of August, $201.63. It was the 15th of September, $233.10. From 2025 to 2029, there would be a precipitous decline. The price of a torrential downpour would increase by 136%, from $31.51 to $74.39, a total of $74.39. 2025 will begin at $31.51, then rise to $35.60 in the first half of the year, and end at $40.94, an increase of 132% from today's price. Torrential downpour predicted for 2030 to 2034. In this period, the cost of a torrential downpour would increase by 27%, from $74.39 to $94.77.77. At the beginning of 2030, the price will be $74.39, then it will drop to $78.85 in the first half of the year, and it will reach $83.29 by the end of the year. The price of torrential downpour traded at 17.39, a 60% increase from the beginning of the year. The forecasted price of torrential downpour for the end of 2023 is 32.87, and the year-to-year change is 0.00. Change plus 89% in 2023. We expect to see 22.67 per one torrential slide, and in the majority of 2024, the cost per torrential slide will rise to 34.78, with an additional 2.39 added to conclude the year at 37.17, representing an increase of 114% to the ongoing cost. From 2025 to 2029, the price of a torrential downpour is projected to increase by 64%, from $37.17 to $61.10. In the first half of 2025, the price will plummet from $37.17 to $33.44 due to a precipitous decline. It will end 2025 at $38.46, a 121-point increase from its current level. From 2030 to 2034, the cost of a torrential downpour is anticipated to increase by 44%, from $61.10 to $87.99. A torrential downpour will begin in 2023 to 2024. The cost of a torrential avalanche began at $10.84 in 2023. Since the beginning of the year, the price of catastrophic slide has increased by 62% to reach $17.58 at present. The predicted cost of a torrential collapse at the end of 2023 is 32.93, with a year-over-year change of minus 0.1%. Change plus 20 for the cost of a torrential collapse is anticipated to increase by 87% by the end of the year in 2023. We anticipate that it will cost 22.71 cents per one torrential downpour in the first half of 2024, 34.85 cents in the second half, and 37.24 cents by the end of the year, which is 112% more than the current price. Between 2025 and 2029, the cost of a raging decline is anticipated to increase by 112%. The price will begin 2025 at $37.24, drop to $33.50 in the first half of the year, and conclude the year at $38.53, a 119% increase from the current price. From 2030 to 2034, the price of torrential fall is projected to increase by 44%, from $61.21 to $88.16. A precipitous decline will begin at $61.21 in 2030, followed by a rise to $64.88 in the first half of the year. The rise from today to the end of the year will be 16%. In 2023, we anticipate 18.90 inches of precipitation per storm. In the first part of 2024, the cost of a torrential fall will increase to 21.12, and by the end of the year, it will increase by 2.74 cents to 23.86, a 32% increase over the current cost. From 2025 to 2029, the price of a torrential slide will increase from $23.86 to $30.50. The price of a torrential slide will begin at $23.86 in 2025, increase to $28.50 in the first half of the year, and reach $30.50 in 2029. From now until 2030, the cost of a severe downpour is projected to increase by 69%, from $56.71 to $71.44. In 2030, the rate of precipitous decline will begin at 56.71 cents, rise to $60.11 in the first half of the year, and end at $60.63. It is approximately plus 236% more than today's 0-21-23 torrential flow total.